Hi, in this video we're going to talk about 3D printing from Fusion 360. And I have a little bit of a 3D model here that we're going to export and prepare for 3D printing. The first thing that we need to do is actually get this converted into a file format that our 3D printing software can understand. So Fusion 360 actually has this built right in. I can come up here to the Make button, click 3D Print. It won't let me hit OK just yet. I have to first select what I want to 3D print. I'm going to select the whistle here. And then we're going to double check to make sure that refinement is on high. We're not going to send this directly from the 3D print utility. Out of Fusion 360, we'll get this saved out as an STL first, and then we will open this up from there. Click OK. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. You want to make sure that it's either the desktop or someplace else that you have access to save. So I'm going to put mine on the desktop, and I'm going to call this whistle print. And you're going to hit save. All right, in the next video, I'll show you how to open it up in the 3D printing software for the CME CNC Rostock Max printers that we have in room 205.